Hello everyone and welcome to your mathematical logic course. In this video, I will present an overview of the course. This will help you understand what to expect and how to succeed in this module. So let's get started. Here is some basic information about me as your instructor. I am an assistant professor class B in the Department of Mathematics, Faculty of Sciences at Farhat Abbas Tifwan University. You can reach me by email and I am available in the teacher's room on Wednesdays from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and Thursdays from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Let me now give you an overview of the course itself. The course code is FEU 2.2 and it taught in the second semester. It is intended for first-year students in the Common Core of Computer Engineering. The course carries 3 credits with a coefficient of 3. It runs over 14 weeks with a total of 42 hours divided into 2 weekly sessions, a 1 hour and 30 minutes lecture and a 1 hour and 30 minutes tutorial. Now let's look at the main objectives of this course. First, you will understand the fundamentals and applications of logic. Second, you will use logical language operators and quantifiers. Third, we will explain key concepts like implication and equivalence. Then you will build and evaluate logical models using truth tables and formalization. Also, you will construct valid mathematical proofs using logical principles. And finally, you will learn how to organize and develop logical arguments. Now, let's talk about what you need to know before starting this course. First, you should have a basic understanding of set theory. This includes concepts like union and intersection. Second, you need to be familiar with functions and relations. And finally, you should be comfortable with basic logical symbols as well as quantifiers and what they mean. Let's take a closer look at the content of this course. It's divided into 3 main chapters. Chapter 1 is an introduction to mathematical logic. Chapter 2 focuses on propositional logic. And Chapter 3 introduces predicate logic. Now let's go over how your performance in this course will be evaluated. As you can see in the first pie chart on the left, the final grade is made up of 2 components. The final exam, which accounts for 60% of your grade, the continuous assessment, which makes up the remaining 40%. At the second pie chart, you can see that 70% of the continuous assessment comes from tutorial exams, 15% comes from your attendance, and the remaining 15% is based on your participations. Thanks for your attention. Your teacher, Dr. Soraya Farah.